Currently, many car owners choose to upgrade their navigation systems, which often results in the abandonment of the original car CD player. This renders the CD player unusable. Furthermore, with the installation of a full-touch navigation system, blind operation during driving becomes impossible, increasing safety risks. For this reason, we developed button control panels tailored to different car models, featuring the original car's design style. This product is specifically designed to replace the CD control panel of the original car, with the same dimensions and installation bracket, without modifying the existing wiring. It is a plug-and-play solution, making installation extremely convenient. Through the touch learning of the aftermarket Android unit, the button panel can control the Android screen, and the buttons also have backlighting. When the car's headlights are turned on at night, the button lights will synchronize with your Android multimedia player. The wiring method for this product is very simple and can be divided into 3 steps. Step 1. Disconnect the power connector of your aftermarket Android unit. Step 2. Use the wires provided in the packaging of our product to connect the button control panel to your in-car Android unit. Step 3. Connect the power wire of your Android unit to the wires of our product. The button panel features basic buttons such as power on, off, radio, navigation, volume control, previous track, next track, settings, dim, and several customizable buttons. You can access the steering wheel control settings menu on your in-car Android multimedia player and follow the prompts to set the function for each button step by step. Additionally, you can personalize the functionality of several customizable buttons according to your preferences, making it a highly user-friendly and practical feature. Once all the button settings are complete, you can freely operate your in-car Android unit using our button control panel. This eliminates the need to navigate through different menus via touchscreen, which can be cumbersome and time-consuming. With our product, you can access the desired functions with a single press. If you have the need for similar products designed for other car models, please contact us at sales@witson.com. Maybe our next new model will fit for your car. Thank you for watching.
WITSON